Welcome guys, so in this tutorial I want to show you how easy you can split screen on your Windows 11. Okay, so at the first we have to simply open the start menu and then we have to go for the settings. Okay, so when you're in the settings, we have to simply stay with the system right here and we have to move on the multitasking feature. So enter, and as you can see we have to enable this option with snap windows, so we have to use this feature. And when you make it, you can also click on this arrow where you will find few options. So I can recommend you to enable all of these features just like that. And after that, when you want to split screen with any application, you have to go with your mouse on the maximum on this icon right here, and then when you come on it after like 1 second, you will find the split screen options. So for example, I would like to split screen like that, so 50% with my settings and 50% with this website. Of course you can pick any different theme of the split screen, but that's how we can make it. As you can see, that's very simple. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.